Welcome to this tutorial which will show you how to perform SEC-SAX injections and follow the acquisition on the swing beamline. After performing column equilibration and completing the sample preparation, the following information about the samples needs to be specified. The name of the associated principal investigator, PI, for the samples, the list of sample acronyms in the order of injection, separated by commas and without spaces, the list of sample positions on the HPLC rack in the same order as the samples, the list of desired injection volumes in the same order as the samples, the list of the sample concentrations in milligrams per milliliter, the list of circuit numbers where the samples will be injected, and any additional comments. For each circuit, specifying the buffer composition is mandatory. You can set additional comments as required. Once all the fields are filled, execute the workflow by clicking on the green circle with the white triangle. After this point, there is no more human intervention required. The entire process is completely automated. On the monitoring BioSAX screen, green diodes provide information about the process's progress. Blinking blue indicates running, green indicates done, and white means not yet executed. At this moment, the HPLC sequence of injections has been sent to the HPLC software and they've started to run. The monitoring BioSAX screen shows information about the current sample and provides information about detector state, vacuum state, shutter states, and more. Simultaneously, on the HPLC ChemStation screen, you can follow the injection preparation process. First, the process performs a balance on the UV detector, and when the ChemStation is ready to pipette the sample, a final check of the beamline state is performed to ensure that everything is operational, especially the detector and the vacuum. When the check is completed without any issues, the order to pipette and inject the sample is sent. The process can be followed on different screens. An online camera is orientated to see the sample rack, and also on the HPLC ChemStation screen. When the sample is injected, all the counters are initialized and synchronized. A red line appears on the ChemStation, and digital elution diode is blinking, and a UV absorption measurement at 280 nanometers is started. No SAX acquisition is initiated until the starting volume for buffer acquisition is eluted. It will start in a few seconds. Now acquisition has started and the produced images are shown live. Here, 180 images of the buffer will be recorded every second. When the ending volume for buffer acquisition is eluted, the SAX acquisition stops. It will restart when the starting volume for sample acquisition is eluted, which will take approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now the sample part of the SAX acquisition is running. It involves recording 580 1-second frames. The UV elution profiles at different wavelengths on the HPLC ChemStation screen indicate the beginning of the sample elution. And within a dozen seconds after the sample reaches the SAX capillary, we can monitor it by looking at the OD 280 nanometer graph and observing the increase in scattering on the detector image. At the end of the elution, the SAX acquisition stops and cleaning of the capillary is initiated. Then, the second sample is pipetted and injected into circuit 2 automatically, and the process continues.